Okay, now that I have the layout done, I thought I would do one more quick little video to kind of show what I did and why I did it, and also how to now save our two-page layout. So here you go. All of the pieces on here were taken from the November Mini. It's amazing how many things you can, the look you can create just by using multiple multiple elements like the flowers and the leaves and things like that. So, and really making the pictures the focus of your layout. There's so much that can be done with these mini kits. So now that I've got everything done, I've got my journaling added, I've got my title. Now what we're going to do is we're going to save this. So you can save it first as the layered file. So you go to File, Save As, and then you would just pick what folder you want. So I'm going to do mine, let's see. Well, yeah, I'll do mine here in this Thanksgiving folder. I'm keeping the format as Photoshop. That maintains all of these layers so that if I want to go back and make changes. So I'm just going to do Thanksgiving and save. But for printing, one, you're not going to be able to send a Photoshop file, but also you're not going to, even with doing it as a book, you're not going to want to have the double layout. And so this is where this guide really comes in handy. So I'm just going to cancel this real quick because I don't need to save the Photoshop file, but I wanted to show you how to do that in case you want to keep your original layered file for changes. So we're going to come up here to this, to the marquee tool, and I like to start outside the gray. Even though it will still crop it to the side, we just want to make sure we get the whole thing. And we're going to come right up to this line. And if you notice, the width and height is 12 by 12. So you want to make sure that's that full 12 by 12. And then unclick, and it puts the marching ants around that. And we're going to do Image, Crop, and then you're going to save that as a JPEG in whatever folder that you put your to be printed files in. And then you're going to, well, let me just, it's so slow with the video, I apologize about that. Okay, so it crops it, and you're just going to come up here and you're going to do File, Save As, and you're going to save it as a JPEG, and I would put Thanksgiving 1, so you know it's the first side, or you could do left, whatever would help you remember. I'm going to push cancel because I've already saved it separately, and then once you get back to this, you're just going to go up to Edit, Undo Crop, and then you're going to do the same thing where I like to start in the corners and draw out. Make sure it's got the 12 by 12. It does. Now we're going to do Image, Crop again, and then save it as the right side or page 2. And that's it. And then if you want to save them for web and share them online, you can. And that's all there is to it for your double page layout.